The males only live for 2 years, only have 1 season to breed, and face a lot of competition.
11 males fighting over each female.
Many of them are twice his size,
And displaying war paint.
broadcast at a higher resolution than 4K TV. Hundreds of thousands of color-changing cells flash. It's a warning that a 10-inch little guy knows to heed. When large males clash, they risk serious injury. Battles can last up to 20 minutes. But this little guy knows how to operate under the radar. Turn pale brown, retract tentacles, and appear more like a female.